Hi, this is Erika. Last 6 weeks I have spent on our sailing boat, and we still have 2 more weeks to go. We have been sailing on the Swedish coast, and we have enjoyed our time so much. On board it's me, my 7-year-old son and my husband. Today I'm going to answer some questions because so many of you are writing to me and ask me what I'm selling and what SFM is really about. So to explain what SFM is, that's an education on how to sell online. So what products can you sell? Actually, you can sell whatever you like. SFM will provide you with the education of how to market on different platforms, for example YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, AdWords, Google AdWords, Bing, anything you can imagine. And you can also learn how to sell physical products on Amazon, for example, or Shopify, how to build your own brand and invent new products. So what I'm promoting with SFM is not that I want you to sell a certain product. I want you to find your own purpose in life and find out what you're good at, your unique value, and all these things SFM will help you with. So that is one of the biggest differences between SFM and other competitors online. So many out there are telling you to sell their product, and they all claiming, or not all, many of them will claim that you will be rich very, very soon and it will take almost no effort at all. To be honest, that is not true at all. It will take some effort from you. It will take a lot of work actually. But when you succeed and you put one foot in front of the other, you will create a lifestyle that you choose for yourself. That means that you can work whenever you want and wherever you want, like I do right now. I'm sitting here close to the sea. Maybe you can hear the water in the background. It's very, very peaceful. And I'm working right now. And if you compare this to your ordinary job, maybe you can see the big benefits of this kind of job. I don't know. So, to answer your questions, no, I don't want you to sell a certain product. I want you to give yourself a chance to educate yourself to be a professional marketer with the best marketers out there that will become your leaders. And also our community, which is totally unique, will help you from the day one to really find your own path. None of us is marketing the same. None of us is doing the same journey. But everyone is helping each other. And that is totally unique, I think, right now in the society. So if you are the least interested in what I'm doing and want to learn more, I hope you clicked on the link on my bio to get the free video series. Otherwise, I'm sure that you will find the links around this film somewhere. And after that, it's time to take action. If you feel something in your stomach that this might be it, maybe there is something in this for me, I want to do something different, I want to take control over my life for once, then it's time for you to get started. So what I can do is, there is a link around here somewhere where you can try the first month only for $29.95, and we will give you 100% of the money back guarantee within 30 days if you're not happy with this. I will not ask you any hard questions on why you quit if you decide to do that, because this is not for everyone, and I totally accept that. But I think you might, I'm sure that you will find this really different, and most of you never quit. You want to go into this for lifetime. So after you paid your $29.95, you get access to the module 1 out of 5, and if you then want to stay and do the rest of the modules, it will cost you $97 a month to be a member. Then you have access to all the trainings there. So just take your chance right now. Click the link. Start with the video series. If you're already watched them, click on the link to get access for the first module, and do something really important for yourself. It's your turn now. See you later. Bye bye.